Hi, my name is Shuji. I'm a Japanese soba chef. I run my own soba noodle restaurant. And with the soba noodles, I cook a variety of seasonal tempura. Today, February the 22nd, is it? 23rd, public holiday. I have anago, conger eel, my favorite. So I'm going to make tempura of anago and a few veggies I have here. So I've got this shiitake, locally grown, and sweet potato, my friend, organically grown, has been growing, and these are the tenderloin, tender stem broccolis. We call it nabana. See the flower. They're nice. They are we love nabana. This is the also is maitake. Yeah, let's do this. Butter, beat egg, add water, and add hakurikiko. Hakurikiko is less gluten. Hakurikiko has less gluten, less. So it won't go gluey. You get crispy tempura with hakurikiko. Now, I drop the butter. Can you see? I think you can see. I just drop butter. It just stays in the bottom a few seconds. It's still low. I want to bring it up to 160 degrees to start cooking veggies. And when I want to cook the seafood, the eel, not eel, anago, conger eel, I want to have this oil temperature up to 180 degrees. So I'll start with the veggies. Okay. Just dust with the flour, the same flour, so that it coats well with butter. Come on, heat up. Oh, this is called fuki no to. These are called fuki no to, sansai. Mountain vegetable. The wild bears love to eat that too. After coming out from their hibernation, as the snow melts in the mountains and in the field, we want to eat fuki no to and wild kumasan. Wild bears, they want to eat that too. So we fight over it. So what I'm going to make today is tendon, not kendon. This is my 22-year-old tendon tare that I made shortly after I returned from Australia, living for 10 years in Sydney, Australia, as a chef, cooking teacher, and Aikido instructor. 10 years culinary expedition in Sydney, Australia. I traveled a lot. But anyway, so the broth, the dipping sauce has been added for over the 22 years, so it's very thick and tasty. thick and tasty. Very thick and tasty, this one. With the chopsticks, somehow I know when it's cooked by lifting it, feeling it, and by watching the size of the bubbles and the sound of the bubble. I somehow know when to take them out from the oil. It just all comes from the experience. So it's hard to tell the tip. Yeah. It is difficult to tell. How long? How long do you cook for? I don't know. I never find. With this, I never pick it. With my now the temperature is very high. Just lower it a bit. Anago, my favorite. I put in the, notice I just scraped the skin side butter on this edge, like that. You notice? Because the skin is a little bit tough. So I want the butter very light. So maybe just scrape it off. I just scrape it off. Zoop, and then put it in. With the flesh, with the skin side up. Notice I placed it in the. I placed the buttered anago with the skin side up. If you put the skin side down, it just curls up. So that's why. Put the skin side up. Cook the flesh side first, so it stays straight. If you do it wrong, it just curls up. The skin just curls up. And then turn over once to cook the skin side, which is a little bit tough. I just a little bit lower the temperature because the oil gone a little too high, over 180 degrees. So I just a little bit lower. See that? This is maximum. This is medium.できました。Done. Make sure you can see it. And the rice. Yes, rice I need. Rice I need. I've got rice here. Oh, need to just, it's a cold day today. It was a little bit snow in the morning, a little bit, just tiny snow. So I just heat it up with the hot water. The hot water is always there we're in the Soba restaurant, so the hot water is always here, see? So just dig it in, just to make all the cold plates and bowls nice and hot. See? See? Oops. I need a camera crew. Come on, I need your help. Camera crew is coming in March. My friend's daughter will be helping me as a camera crew, as an apprentice. So that'll be about 300 grams, eh? I love lots of rice. Lots of rice. Yeah. It's good. The other day they came to eat my tempura and also my grilled eel. And they liked it. And the daughter liked the food and also the town. So she decides to come and learn to cook in March in this kitchen. That is wonderful. Wow, that's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. Just dip it in, put it in, dip it in. Wow. Ooh, looking good. Oh, love these vegetables. Anago and veggie tendon, not kendon, tendon. That's it. Make sure you turn that off. Hey, Shush. Hey, never leave the oil. Make sure you turn that off, and also just take bits and pieces, tempura bits and pieces. Yeah. Ooh, almost forgot. Be careful. Never leave tempura oil on water, on heat. I think it's a bit quiet today. We had a few customers today from Nagoya and from Shizuoka, all the way from Shizuoka Prefecture. Their son has just graduated from a local high school, university here, so the parents came to pick him up. Yeah, that's great. So let's see. I love chili on everything. Yes, spicy food I love.